Labą dieną. Šiandieną gaminsime ananasų kompotą.
Hello and welcome. On this episode we are filming fake preserved pineapple recipe. I remember when grandmother used to make us believe it was real pineapple. The texture and the taste are similar, so it's actually possible to trick someone into believing it's real pineapple. Begin by peeling and taking out all unnecessary parts. Then cut them in cubes.
Jonas įsvirėjo dabar, pripjausim šiek tiek ir užpilsim cukraus, kad pradėtų juos marinuotis. Paskutinį juos. Paliksim sekantiem. Taip, sluoksniukais įdėsim visą laiką.
To a bucket of zucchini we had added a kilo or 2.2 pounds of sugar.
Kibiras ananasų pamarinuosim apie 6 valandas.
A liter or 33.8 fluid ounces of pineapple juice, preferably with highest pineapple concentration available. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of citric acid. Keep them boiling for about 10 minutes or until they soften. We are heating the jars to sterilize them. Keeping them above water boiling temperature for about 10 minutes should be enough to get rid of all microorganisms. Fill the containers with some zucchini, then close them tightly with a lid and turn them over. Bear in mind that both the container and the lid have to be sterilized.
Labas. Darbas baigtas. Karšta. Tikri ananasai gavosi, geltoni, gražūs. Skanaus. Viskas. Va.
After that, you can put them in a normal standing position, but keep them in a cool place for future consumption. Thank you guys for watching. You would help even more if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We really want to reach 1000 subscribers. Also, consider pressing the bell button to see our videos first, and/or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye. Cheers.